more than 100 years, Disney stories have filled the world with joy and wonder, capturing the hearts and imaginations of generations across every continent. And since the launch of the Disney Cruise Line in 1998, our ships have become brand ambassadors that bring our world-class storytelling and the immersive nature of our theme parks to new audiences in new places all over the world.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
We also know that at the heart of everything we do are the dedicated cast members and employees who create the magic that brings joy to millions of people around the globe.
To be here with you tonight brings me joy, alegría. With this music, it's my language, and the world asks me familia.
With the Disney Treasure, we continue to deliver an unparalleled family vacation at sea through the magic of Disney storytelling. The memories that our guests create on board this stunning ship, they will last a lifetime.